Hello friends, welcome to this video and I hope all of you are doing good. So today we are going to discuss some multiple choice questions on geopolitics and the answers. So with that said, let's get started. And of course these questions and answers will be helpful for various competitive examinations like APSC, UPSC, DME, Assam Police, etc. So let's get started. So first question is what is geopolitics? The very definition of geopolitics. So you are given four options. You can pause this video for a while, read the options and then you can answer. And the correct option of this from out of these four options is the option B. Geopolitics means the study of the relationship between politics and geography. Okay, that is geopolitics. We move to the second question. The second question is which country is currently the largest economy in the world? Largest economy. So you have been given four options: Japan, United States, China and Germany. The correct option is United States. United States is the largest economy in the world. So we move to the next question. Next question is which of the following is not one of the BRICS countries? Okay, BRICS. So what is BRICS? Basically Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa. So out of these four options, which one is not correct? So Japan is not a BRICS country. So the option 4, Japan is the correct answer. Okay, it is not a BRICS country. So we move to the next question. Next question is what is the primary driver of geopolitical tension in the Middle East? Okay, in the Middle East, geopolitical tension. Okay, so religious differences, ethnic differences, political differences, economic differences. So the correct option is option A. Religious differences is the main reason for geopolitical tensions in the Middle East. So we move to the next question now. Which of the following countries is not a member of NATO? Okay, not a member of NATO. Okay, so you see the four options: United States, Germany, Russia, France. So the correct answer is Russia. Russia is not a NATO member. In fact, Russia is NATO's rival. Okay, it is NATO's rival, and one of the reasons why NATO was created, that was created to counter Russia. Okay, so we move to the next question. Next question is which country has the largest military in the world? Okay, you see the four options and the largest military in the world is United States. Okay, option A is the correct answer. We move to the next question. Which country has the largest oil reserve in the world? Okay, oil reserve, largest oil reserve in the world. So you see the options: United States, Russia, Saudi Arabia and Venezuela. The correct answer is the option D. Venezuela is the largest oil reserve in the world. Okay, so we move to the next question. Next question is which of the following is a major waterway for oil transport? Okay, major waterway for oil transport. So you see the four options. Which one is correct? The correct option is the Suez Canal. Okay, Suez Canal is the major waterway for oil transport. We now move to the next question. Which of the following is a major exporter of natural gas? Okay, major exporter of natural gas. So which one of these four countries? The option is Russia. Option A, Russia is a major exporter of natural gas out of the given four countries. We move to the next question now. What is the term used to describe the geopolitical strategy of Russia to expand its influence? Okay, what is the question? Geopolitical strategy of Russia to expand its influence. Okay, like Russia wants to expand its influence to its neighboring countries or to the countries which were earlier the part of Soviet Union. So out of these four options, which one is correct? The correct option is the option C, neo-imperialism. Okay, this is the strategy adopted by Russia to expand its influence. We move to the next question now. Which country has the world's largest coastline? Okay, largest coastline out of these 4 countries. So the options are, you can see, and the correct option is the option B, Canada. Canada has got the largest coastline in the world. Okay, coastline in the world, Canada is the answer. Next question, which country has the world's largest forest area? Okay, forest area covered by forest. Which country has the largest forest cover? Russia, Brazil, Canada and China. So the correct answer is Russia once again. So here I want to tell you one thing, that Russia, United States, China, these are some of the biggest and most influential countries in the world. So they rank among the top in various parameters in the world. Okay. So with that, we move to the next question. Next question is, which country has the world's highest military expenditure? Okay. See, military expenditure. The 4 options are here, and once again the correct answer is United States. Okay, United States has the highest military expenditure in the world. So we move to the next question now. Which country has the world's largest nuclear arsenal? Okay, nuclear weapons. Largest stockpile of nuclear weapons or nuclear arsenal. So United States, China, Russia, India, and the answer is once again Russia. Russia has got the largest nuclear arsenal in the world. We then move to the next question. Next question is, which country is the largest consumer of oil in the world? Okay, largest consumer of oil in the world. Okay, consumer. So out of these 4 options, which one is correct? The correct answer is United States. So United States consumes the largest amount of oil in the world. Okay, consumer United States. Okay, so move to the next question. Next question is, which country is the largest importer of oil in the world? Okay, importer. Earlier question was about consumer, here importer. Which country gets most of the oil in the world? Okay, out of the 4 countries, United States, China, India, Japan. So the correct answer is China. China imports the largest amount of oil in the world out of any other country in the world. So we move to the next question. Next question is, which of the following is an example of geopolitical hotspot? Okay, geopolitical hotspot. There may be many geopolitical hotspots in the world, but out of these 4, which one is a geopolitical hotspot? So South America, Southeast Asia, Australia, Europe. The correct answer is Southeast Asia. Southeast Asia is a geopolitical hotspot. Why so? Because Southeast Asia always acts as a point of rivalry between US and China. Okay, and due to this rivalry between US and China, Southeast Asia is an important geopolitical hotspot. We now move to the next question. Next question is, which international organization aims to promote international trade and reduce trade barriers? Okay, promote international trade and reduce trade barriers. Which international organization does that? And that is the World Trade Organization. Okay, World Trade Organization. Out of these 4 options is the correct answer. We now move to the next question. Which country is often referred to as the Middle Kingdom due to its historical and cultural significance? Okay, Middle Kingdom. Which country is called so? Middle Kingdom. Okay, due to historical and cultural significance. Out of these 4 options, Japan, India, China and Mongolia. The correct answer is the option C, China. China is also known as the Middle Kingdom. We now move to the next question. What is the name of the agreement that created European Union? Okay, European Union creation is named after which agreement? Okay, agreement. 4 options are given: Maastricht Treaty, Treaty of Rome, Treaty of Versailles and Treaty of Lisbon. Okay, so which one is the correct answer? Out of these 4, European Union was created out of the Maastricht Treaty. Okay, option A, Maastricht Treaty is the correct answer. So friends, this was today's last question on geopolitics. I hope you have liked this session and you will be benefited from these questions and answers. So if you have liked the video, please like it, please share this video, and also please subscribe to the channel as well. I will see you in another video, and thank you very much for watching this one. I will see you soon.